Okay. Third rule sa derivative of a product. Medyo medyo mahirap to, pero inaral naman natin to, so familiar na to sa inyo. So, sabi dyan, ang derivative ng dalawang equation na pinagmultiply ay ang derivative ay ang first equation multiplied by the derivative of the second equation plus the second equation multiplied by the derivative of the first equation. So, what does all of that mean? Okay, so, bigyan natin example. Say, meron tayo ditong equation, the first one. 2x squared plus 4, sabihin natin, times 3x cubed plus 2. Hinahanap yung derivative na itong dalawa. Okay? Ang gagawin natin dyan, so, sabi dyan, ang derivative bababa muna natin to. So, magiging 2x squared plus 4. And then, kukunin natin yung derivative nito. Ano ang derivative ni 3x? Ang 3x cubed ay 9x. 3 minus 2 ay 3 minus 1, 2. Pasara nga yung pinto. And then, 2, any derivative ng constant ay 0. So, ito lang matitira. Ito muna, multiply natin. 9x squared. Second equation, ito raw. So, magiging 3x cubed plus 2. And then, multiplied by the derivative of this. So, derivative ni 2x squared, lagay dito, magiging 4 minus 1, which is x sub 1, or x na lang. And then, derivative ng any constant ay 0. So, matitira nandito ay 4x. Okay? So, ayun yung natin. Yung equation. Tapos yan, multiply natin sila 1 by 1. Ito muna yung pinakauna. Punta doon. So, magiging 2x squared times 9x squared magiging 18x to the 4th. And then, 4 times 9x squared magiging 36x squared. Plus, ito, 3x squared times 4x magiging 12x to the 4th. And then, 2x times 4x magiging 8x. And then, itong dalawa pwede natin makombine, magiging siyang 30x to the 4th plus 36x squared plus 8x, which is, ito na yung sagot natin. Now, kapag ka, dito, and then another example pala. Say, ito naman yung given. Mas malaki na. 3x cubed and then 3x squared plus 4x plus 9 multiplied by like x to the 7 plus x to the 6 plus plus 7. Ayan. So, let's say yan na. Same process lang katulad kanina. Ito, ibababa natin dito, magiging 3x squared plus 4x plus 9. And then, kukunin natin yung derivative nito, tapos i-multiply dyan. So, magiging x to the 7 plus x to the 6 plus 7. Ay, hindi. Kunin pala muna yung derivative. So, magiging 7x6 plus 6x5. Okay? Minadali ko lang, hindi na ako kasi medyo common sense naman na siya. Now, plus ito, x 7 plus 6 7, and then derivative nito, which is 2, baba dito magiging 6x to the 1 or wala na. And then ito, 1 invisible, lagay doon, magiging 4x to the 0 or times 1 or wala na rin. So, magiging 6x plus 4. 6x plus 4. Yan. Ito medyo malaki to, pero hindi naman siguro magbibigay si ma'am ng given na ganyan. Pero kung magbigay nga si ma'am ng given na ganito, or sa process ganito kalaki yung nakuha mo, kahit hindi mo na i-simplify at iiwan mo lang dito. Kasi most likely tatanggapin na yan ni ma'am.